Embark on a journey of coffee excellence with this 10-cup drip coffee maker, a masterpiece designed to transform your mornings into a ritual of unparalleled flavor. This grind and brew automatic coffee machine isn't just a device, it's a symphony of features that cater to the desires of true coffee enthusiasts. Let's delve into the details that make this coffee maker a must-have for those who crave the perfect cup. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Here's why you need it. 1.5-liter large capacity for endless sips. Say goodbye to the constraints of a single cup with the generous 1.5-liter large capacity of this coffee maker. Brewing up to 10 cups, it caters to the diverse needs of coffee lovers. Customization is at your fingertips. Adjust the coffee powder quantity effortlessly, ensuring that each cup is precisely as you desire. The machine's intelligence ensures a harmonious balance between water and coffee powder for a flawless brew. Easy operation, maximum convenience. Navigate the world of drip coffee effortlessly, whether you prefer coffee beans or powder. The built-in Burr grinder elevates your coffee experience, preserving the beans' full flavor. As the grinder works its magic, the coffee powder descends gracefully onto the filter, ready to be transformed into a rich and aromatic brew. Optimum flavor mastery. Tailor your coffee exactly to your liking with the myriad brewing settings this machine offers. With 3 strength control options and 8 coffee grind grades, you are the maestro of your coffee symphony. From coarse to fine, strong to mild, every cup is a reflection of your taste preferences. The grind off button provides the flexibility to halt grinding if needed. Automatic start for effortless mornings. Embrace the luxury of waking up to the fragrance of freshly brewed coffee. The programmable timer lets you set your preferred start time, ensuring that your coffee is ready when you are. A gentle prompt signals the completion of brewing, while the warming plate keeps your coffee piping hot for a generous 120 minutes. Blooming function for intense aromas. Experience the art of blooming, a function designed to elevate your coffee's aroma. Before each brewing cycle, the coffee grounds are delicately moistened, allowing them to swell and intensify in flavor. This meticulous process ensures that each sip is a celebration of the coffee's full-bodied aroma. In essence, the 10-cup drive-up coffee maker isn't just a machine, it's your companion in the pursuit of coffee perfection. Elevate your mornings, savor the richness of every sip, and let this coffee maker be the maestro orchestrating your daily coffee ritual. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.